Ooh, why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and by popular request, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the A string and E string. So, this is the version that you'll be doing if you are learning Suzuki. Alright, here we go. That's it. All right, let's break this down. How do we do that? Okay, lots of things you have to know. Your bow hold. Okay, you have to know your strings. First string closest to the front is E. Second string is A string. So we're starting on the A and going to E. Okay, we also have to know our fingers and our finger spacings. All right, so on the A string we're going to have 1, 2, and 3. Whole step, half step, or space, space, close. Okay. Let's put it all together. A, E, E. Now, first finger on the E string, 1, 1. Lift up, E. Okay, so let's put that all together now. A, E, 1, 1, E. A string, prepare your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Again, space, space, close. We're going to do 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, A. See how I lifted those away? Okay? So let's put that whole first line together. So A, E, 1, 1, E. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, A. Here we go. Alright, that's part A. Twinkle has two distinct parts. Part B, alright, is the next part. So we're going to start with E, E. Get our fingers ready on the A string. Space, space, close. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. We're going to do that again, but an echo this time. So E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so let's do that B all together. It's going to be E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then our last part is another A. So we actually have A, B, A form, so I call it the Twinkle Sandwich, okay? So let's sing it all together and then we'll play it. So it's going to be A, E, 1, 1, E. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, A. E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Echo. E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Loud. A, E, 1, 1, E. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, A. Okay, put it all together. I'll lead you through it. A, E, 1, E, 3, 2, 1, A, E. 3, 2, 1, echo, E. 3, 2, 1. Loud A. E. 1. E. 3, 2, 1. A. All right, that was a challenge. Let me know if this helps. Maybe we can do some more with the variations.